Tungkol si Kay, damoy danon, maitin.
I did put enough water.
Not to cover it.
Idaho potatoes, thinly sliced. Napa cabbage, carrots, shredded,
I don't know if we have like a
celery.
big cover. I have to buy a big cover.
And Mom, how many cloves of garlic did you use? Did you use 2?
Huh? Garlic?
Yeah, how many garlic did you use?
We used to have a whole bowl.
A whole bulb, 1 bulb of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chicken Knorr seasoning, garlic salt. Do you put pepper in this one? Okay, so no pepper. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm making a memory. And I think lastly we're going to put the green onions. Yep. This is Grandpa's famous pork chop soy, but we made it American using American pork sausages and pork strips. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.